Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video we shall talk about processes of state formation, that how states are created, what are the mechanisms of creation of states. So first of all we shall talk about the first method of state formation, that is we are talking about the modern nation states, that is that of transformation. Transformation is a gradual process, that is a reorganization and gradual reorganization of existing independent political units. The examples of Britain and France, Japan, Thailand, these are the nation states that were formed through transformation. They reorganized their system due to capitalism, industrial revolution and French Revolution, and so they underwent these revolutions to reach to the today's state. So next is unification. Unification is unifying many dispersed political units that are independent but they are dispersed. So the examples are Germany, Italy, Yugoslavia and USSR. Germany was a loose confederation of 39 independent political units, and it was existing as princedoms since 9th century AD, and that was unified in 1871. Same is the case with Italy. There were many small semi-sovereign states of Italy that were unified in 19th century. The same is the case of Yugoslavia and USSR. So these states were formed through the process of unification, that they unified their independent but dispersed political units to form up a new one nation state with one national identity. The next in our categories is secession. Secession is the breakup of independent political units, like in Ottoman Empire, Habsburg Empire, Roman Empire, India as a state and USSR. These were the independent political units from which many states broke away and they got independence from them. So these steps can be called secession. So 15 states from USSR were disintegrated after the Cold War, and similarly 5 from Yugoslavia and many more states from Ottoman Empire were disintegrated. These were very large states and they could not keep so much area and so much territory under control and under strict control. So secession is a process where the control of the center is loose. So 3 categories are complete. Now we shall talk about the another category of state formation, that is decolonization. Decolonization is a process in which the colonized countries of America, Asia and Africa that were colonized by the European powers in 15th century onwards, they had to grant independence to the states of their influence and their colonial countries in America, Asia and Africa. And decolonization started from 1750 onwards and continued till the 1980s roundabout in piecemeal. You can say in 2 phases. There were 2 waves of decolonization, and more than 100 nations of today were formed due to the process of decolonization, including United States of America, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and many others, that we shall talk about them later in details. So for now, processes of state forming on 4: transformation, unification, secession and decolonization, and there are many examples of it. For you can remember easily them from this lecture. Take care till next lecture, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.